In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics class, and in this video, we are going to learn about an important topic: division of meters and centimeters. Dear students, you know that last time we were discussing about the multiplication of meters and centimeters, and today we are going to start new basic mathematics operation: division of meters and centimeters. This is our lesson number 9 of final term, and this topic is given in your book page 151. Let us start from this page. In this page, the topic is about length, division of meters and centimeters. The statement of question 1 is copy these in your notebook and complete. Mean, write these sums in your copy and solve in your copy a notebook. The first one is 6 meter and 93 centimeter divided by 3. Dear students, this is the symbol of division. Here meters and centimeters are given at the same time, so we have to divide 6 meter and 93 centimeter by 3. Dear students, first of all, here we will divide meters by 3. Here we have 6 meters and 93 centimeters. First we divide 6 by 3. You know that whenever we divide any number by other number, so we count the table. So in which number we multiply by 3, we get 6, a number that is very near to 6. So we count the table of 3. 3 ones are, sorry, 3 1 is 3, and 3 twos are 6. Dear students, when we multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. After that, we subtract this number from the above. Here we get exactly the same number. Therefore, when we subtract 6 from 6, means 6 minus 6, we get 0. It means we get 0 meters, mean no meters. After that, we will divide 93 by 3, means we will divide centimeters. Dear students, here one thing is very important. If you get here 1 meter or 2 meter or 3 meter instead of 0, so you have to convert meter into centimeter first, add these meter and centimeter with 93, and then you divide. Here we have 0, so no need to add anything with 93, so you have to directly divide 93 by 3. So first of all, we shift this digit. It is better for us to divide the number digit by digit. So first of all, we shift first digit down. First digit is 9. So we shift 9 here. And after that, we count the table of 3 again up to 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. After that, we shift the last digit. Last digit is 3. 0, 3 mean 3. And now we divide this 3 by 3. 3 times 1. 3 ones are 3. After that, we subtract 3 from 3. We get 0 remainder. In this way, we will solve the remaining parts. Here 8 meters 61 centimeter. So first of all we divide meters and then centimeter. First we divide 8 by 2. Here 8 meters are given. Therefore we divide 8 by 2. 2 4 times 2 4 times 8. After that 8 minus 8 0. Mean 0 meters are remaining. So it means we have divided 8 completely. And after that we divide 61 by 2. So first of all we divide digit by digit. So first we shift single digit. First digit, this is 6. First we divide 6 and after that we shift 1. When you boys and girls, when you shift 6 down, then you divide 6 by 2. 6 by 2. 2 threes are 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 6 0 and then shift this one down. Dear students, here is a very important thing is that 1 is smaller than 2. So do not try to leave 1 as it is. So you must divide 1. So when you divide 2 by, when you divide 1 by 2 and when you multiply 2 by 1, you get 2. 2 is more greater than or more than 1. Therefore, in this situation, you have to multiply 2 by 0. 2 zeros are 0. 2 0 0. After that, you subtract 0 from 1. So here you get 1. Sorry, here 2 is written. Here is actually 1. So 1 is remainder. Do not leave this one. You have to divide and after that you subtract. Otherwise, if you will leave this one as it is, so 0 will not come here and your answer will be considered wrong. Dear students, I am going to solve part C. Part C is very important. It is little bit different from part A and B. In part C, 6 meters and 93 centimeters are given. And we have to divide 6 meter 93 centimeter by 9. In your book 21 centimeter is given, so you can write any number. I am replacing 96 by 93 by 21. Here, according to your book, 21 is given. So I am going to read this question again. 6 meter 21 centimeter divided by 9. Dear students, as per rules, first of all we divide meters by 9. Here we have 6 meters and you have to divide 6 by 9. Dear students, here is a very important thing is that when you multiply 9 by 1, you get 9. Ones are 9. 9 is greater than 6. So in this situation, you have to multiply 9 by 0 because when you multiply 9 by 1, you get the answer more than 6. In this situation, remember this point. So you have to multiply 9 0 0 6 minus 0, answer is 6. It means 6 meters are remaining. Dear students, this step is very important. Please listen me very carefully. 6 meters means 600 centimeter. So first of all, we will change these meters into centimeters because now we are going to divide centimeters. And here we convert this 6 into this 6 meter into centimeter. 6 meter mean 600 centimeter. We will add these 600 centimeter with these centimeters. These centimeters are 21. So I am writing here. Remember that 6 meter convert these are meters. Convert these meters into centimeter. This is very important. And after that, add with these centimeters. 6 meter equal to 600 centimeter. 600 plus 21, you get 621. In other words, you can say this put this 6 in front of 21. But actually the concept is add 600 with 21. 600 plus 21, 621. Mean in this time you are going to divide 621 centimeters by 9. So first of all we divide digit by digit. Here we have 6, so it is we are not able to divide 6 by 9, so we take first two digits 62. First of all we shift 62. Now you can divide digit by digits, it's up to you. You can divide 6 by 9, 900. You can put two digits first. 62 first we put 62 down. Now count the table of 9. 9 5 9 6 are 54. Now subtract 54 from 62. Here we take 1 from 6, we get 5, and here we get 12. 12 minus 4, we get 8. And after that, shift this one down. We get 81. So here 9 nines are, now we divide 81 by 9. 9 nines are 81, and 81 minus 81, remainder is 0. So our answer is 0 meter 69 centimeter. Dear students, I am going to repeat these all steps again. Here we have 6 meter 21 centimeter divided by 9. So 900, 6 minus 0, 6. 6 meter means 600 centimeter. 600 plus 20, 620. Now we divide these centimeters. These are total centimeters, 621. After that, we will start division from 62, because we cannot divide 6 alone because 6 is smaller than 9. Therefore, we take 62 first. Now 62 divided by 9. 9 6 are 54. After that, subtract 54 from 62, we get 8. Take 1 carry from here, you get here 5, and here you replace 2 by 12. 12 minus 4, 8. And after that, shift 1, you get 81. 9 nines are 9 times 9. 9 multiply by 9, that is equal to 81. So 81 minus 81, 0. Next is 4 meter 95 centimeter. Here the same problem is coming. 4 is smaller than 7. Therefore, we will multiply 7 by 0. 7 by 7 multiplied by 0, 0. So 4 minus 0, 4. After that, 4, these are meter. 4 meter mean 400 centimeter. 400 plus 95, you get 495. First, you change 4 meter into centimeters. 4 meter mean 400 centimeter. And here we have 95. 495, we get 400 plus 95, 495. Now we divide 495 by 7. Now first we will focus on 4. 4 is not divisible by, 4 is smaller than 7. It will easy for us to divide two digits. First we take these two digits. These two digits are 49. 49 divided by 7. 7 times 7, 49. 49 minus 49, answer is 0. So in this side, you can write no need to write 0 in this side. And after that, shift 5. 5, dear students, when you shift 5, 5 is less than 7. No need to leave 5 as it is. So it is compulsory for us to divide 5 by 7. So the problem here is when we multiply 7 by 1, we get 7. 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, in this situation, when you get the number that is less than the divisor, so you have to multiply by 0. 7 by 0, 7. and after that subtract 5 minus 0, 5. Dear students, here 5 will remain same, but here in the answer 0 will come. When you leave this question here, then 0 will not come here, and in this way your answer will be wrong. So you have to divide 0, and then at the end you can write remainder 5. Here remainder will remain same, but here the additional 0 will come. So in this way, in this method, you can solve part E, F, G, H. The solution of these parts are written in front of you here: 695, 800, 6 minus 0, 6, and after that convert 6 meter into centimeters. 6 meter and 95 centimeters, we get 695. Now you divide 695 by 8. First you take 69. 8 8s are 64. 9 minus 4, 5, and then shift this 5, you get 55. After that, 8 6 are 48, and 15 minus 8, 7. Take 1 carry from here, here you get 4, and here you get 15. 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Dear students, this remainder should less than this divisor. If this will come greater than this, it means your answer is wrong. So next one, 22 meter, 15 centimeter. So here first we divide 22 by 4, 22 by 5. 5 fours are 20. 22 minus 20, we get 2. 2 meter mean 200 centimeters. 200 plus 15. Here we cannot divide 2 by 5 further. Therefore, we convert 2 into centimeters. 200. These are 200 centimeters. In other words, you can say 200 plus 15, you get 215. Now you divide 215 by 5. Now we take 21 first. 5 fours are 20, and then subtract 20 from 21. We get 1 here, and after that shift 15 down. So we have here 15. 5 3 times 15. In this way, students, you can solve part G and H. Look at question 2. Dear student, question 2 is same as question 1, but here in this question, the question is given in sums are given in horizontal form, and you have to write vertical form first and then solve. Same step you will apply here. Here we have 5 meter 42 centimeter divided by 5. So first of all we write meter one side, and on the other side we write centimeters. In the below of meter we write 5 meter. Look at here, these are 5 meters and 42 centimeters. And after that we put the lines like this. This is the sign of symbol of division, like this, divided by 5. Now divide, starting division from 5. Here we have 5, and the 5 divided by 5, answer is 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. And after that you divide 42. Here, remember, when you get 0 remainder, no need to add. It means nothing to add with these centimeters. When you get here 1, you have to add 100 with these centimeters. 2 mean 200, 3 mean 3. Here we have 0 meter between nothing. So you have to divide these centimeters. Here shift 42 down, and after that you divide 5 8s are 40. 42 minus 40. So here we get 2, not 0. Similarly, you can write this one. Here 8 meter 91 centimeter divided by 4. 24 meter 16 centimeter divided by 8. So dear students, these solutions are written in front of you. You can solve by yourself. Similarly, part D, E, and F. I am going to explain part F. in part F, 24 meters are given and 16 centimeters are given, and you have to divide these meters and centimeters by 8. So first of all, we write in vertical form 24 meter and 16 centimeter, then divide by 8. You have to put the line like this, and after that put 8 here. Now you divide 24 by 8, 8 3 times. 8 threes are 24, 24 minus 24, 0. And after that shift 16 down, and 8 twos are 16. So the answer is 24 meter 16 centimeter, that is equal to 3 meter 2 centimeter. This way you can solve for D and E. Now I am going to explain question 3. In question 3, the word problem is given. The first one is the statement of first is, what is length of one piece when 11 meter 40 centimeter of rope is cut into 3 equal pieces? Dear students, here the length of one rope is given. You have a rope whose length is 11 meter and 43 centimeter. We want to cut this rope into 3 pieces, into 3 parts. So the question is, you have to find the length of one piece. What is the length of one piece? So you have to divide the length of rope by 3, because we want to divide the rope into 3 equal pieces. So first of all, in solution, we will write the total length of a rope here. Total length of one piece of rope, one piece of rope, that is equal to 11 meter 40 centimeter. And how many number of pieces we want to divide? How many number of pieces we want to divide this rope into 3 pieces? And how we find the length of one piece? Length of one piece equal to length of one rope divided by 3. This is the length of one rope and divide by 3. Dear students, you have to use vertical method to divide this rope by 3. So first of all, we write meter in one side, and in another side we write, on the other side we write 40. 11 meter and 40 centimeter divided by 3. Divide by 3. So first of all, we divide 11 by 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. 11 minus 9, 2. It means here we have we are remaining 2 meters. 2 meters mean 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. 200 plus 40, here we have 40 centimeter. So first we collect and add all centimeters, and after that we divide. 240 plus 200 plus 40 mean 240. Here we will write all centimeters, and then after that we start division. So first of all, we divide 24. 3 8s are 24. Shift this 0 down and divide 0 by 3. 3 0 0, and 0 minus 0 0. Or you can, students, you can write here 300 here directly. It's up to you, and no need to write after that these two zeros. But if you want to divide digit by digit, shift 0 down and then divide. Otherwise, 3 8s are 24. When you get 0 here, write 300 here. And after that, 240 minus 240, remainder is 0. Next is your homework. What is the length of one piece when 22 meter and 52 centimeter of rope is cut into 4 equal parts? Here, students, I am giving you some hints. Here you just write the length of one rope, the length of one piece is given, and you have to divide this rope into four equal parts. Just divide this length by 4. This solution of this problem is same as above, so you have to solve by yourself. And in next video, inshallah, we will start the new topic, length in kilometers and meters. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.